welcome back to our live coverage of the Kentucky Oaks out at Churchill Downs. And when you've got a big, mega outdoor event, the last thing you want to be talking about is the top 5 wettest of those events. And boy, we just went barreling our way up that list. We're going to talk about that coming up. Over an inch of rain this morning out at Churchill. This is a live look at Keeneland. Yeah, it's wet in Lexington. Fortunately, a lot of the rain has tapered off here in Louisville, but you're still in the thick of it in central and eastern Kentucky. But look at that, 1.19 inches of rain in Louisville and almost 0.8 of an inch in Frankfort. So the heaviest right along that axis along the Ohio River. That officially puts us not just into the top 5 wettest Kentucky Oaks, but the number 2 spot. We knocked the Kentucky Soaks out. And yeah, we had just shy of 1.2 inches of rain. So now the second wettest. Doesn't look like we're going to add to that total much as we go into the afternoon, so I guess there's some good news. And this is the good news as well. The MaxTrack Live Doppler shows the rain has tracked into central Kentucky. Some storms on the leading edge out into eastern Kentucky. You can see lightning flashes northeast of Jackson there out towards Ashland, far eastern counties. So we've still got active weather to contend with, and the LAX 18 Storm Tracker Future Track and the radar loop do show that ongoing precipitation there. So the good news for today, gradual clearing, even some breaks for some sun. I've seen a few out here in Louisville, and we'll continue to see that. But this is in the morning and into the afternoon. Here comes trouble. We'll have rain steadily spreading in through your Saturday afternoon. So it should be a fairly dry morning out of Churchill tomorrow. But that rain could be heavy, and unfortunately the timing is slowing down a little bit. That's getting into early Sunday morning, so it looks like it will be a wet Derby. And unfortunately, I don't think it's going to clear by the time they actually race the Derby. So our late day break in effect as far as the Kentucky Oaks is concerned. But we do have more showers and thunderstorms on the way for tomorrow. So if you're going to come out here, you want to be well aware of the potential for showers and storms tomorrow. Now, the good news is we don't anticipate much in the way of severe weather, but when you've got a bunch of people outside and you've got a lightning strike, it doesn't have to be a severe storm to cause a ruckus, so we're going to be keeping a close eye on that through Derby Day tomorrow. Temperature-wise, we're doing okay, 60s. Once that sun pops out, we should jump into the 70s, though. It's already 68 in Louisville, so we're going to be looking much better there. So as far as the 8-day Storm Tracker forecast goes, we've got temperatures taking a dive, and a lot of that due to the extensive cloud cover tomorrow and that possibility of rain. So for the remainder of today out here for the Kentucky Oaks, conditions will be improving, and then it's a total flip-flop. Tomorrow, conditions are going to be kind of falling apart as that rain gradually tracks in from the southwest. Showers, some embedded thunderstorms a possibility, and temperatures take a hit. And then, of course, by the end of the weekend, wouldn't you know it, Sunday, everything clears out and the sun's back out, and we're around 70 degrees. So, not a complete washout as far as the afternoon goes. Certainly was this morning. Dia, if you're heading out here tomorrow, just remember to bring your mutters, bring your boots, because you very well may need them, especially later in the day.
All right, good advice, and I'll see you out